Hello, welcome back to Fishing with Fever. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today, I'm back at the lake I was at last time. I'm trying to have a better time. Got the camera working this time, so hopefully you will all hear me. I'm sorry about the wind today. I'm just using the GoPros because I'm in the kayak and I'm really nervous. So today, I got a whole bunch of poppers and topwater because I didn't bring too many last time. I was just more exploring. So we're gonna try our best now to catch some bass or some big pike. So stick with me and we'll see you at the first fish. Look at that nice rock cliff. I'm not like this huge bass guy, okay? So, I mean, would I like to catch them? Sure, but do I know everything about them? No. Got something. Looks like a little pike. Nice. Oh, he finally saw me. Oh. If you stop, I'll put you in the water. Ooh. He's a little bunged up, and he's just, ugh, he's so slimy right now. Anyways, we'll just release him. See you later, buddy. Woohoo! One fish. So the popper worked. I don't know if these are the best colors. Maybe comment below if these are the right good colors for bass and pike. But it's what I saw, so it's what I took. Oh, hooked up again. This has got a little bit of play in it. Ooh, just a dinky. Okay, so real quick, I'd like to talk to you guys about what I'm doing coming up in about a week or two. Myself and 4 other YouTubers from Manitoba have gotten together and we're doing a walleye poker challenge. Now, we all went out and filmed in June, and I'll explain the rules in another video coming up, but it's something for you guys to look forward to. There's 5 of us totally trying to make our best poker hand while catching walleyes. Like I said, I got another video coming out, and then mid-July we're all releasing our videos. It was a lot of fun for me. I hope you guys like it. So if you're excited, let me know down below, and I'll let you know who the other YouTubers from Manitoba that joined me are. I knew there'd be something by that tree. How could there not be, right? Ooh, this guy's might be a little bigger. It's not bigger. It's a bass. What we've been trying to catch. Oh no. Oh. I may have just caught my first master smallie. Get off of me. That guy is a tank. Look at that beauty. So, oh no, I'll say 17 and a half, but look at that guy. What an awesome fight. Oh, good job, buddy. Okay. Whew. Yeah, that's the biggest bass I've ever caught, so I'm pretty excited. I'll try that one again, but just look at like how high the shield here is. I'm in the Canadian Shield, for those of you that don't know. It's just so breathtaking to me. Oh yeah. Pretty sure that's a pike. Oh, he gulped it. That's gonna suck. He's bleeding, but another little pike. And off he goes. Bye, buddy. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna leave it right there. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's a quick video, but it's supposed to, what is it? My watch is saying 30. It's supposed to go up to like 37 today. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I'll put it like right here. But it's hot, it's gross, and I'm having a hard time finding the bass. The snot rockets or pike are nice, but unless they're big ones, they're not exactly as exciting. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.